Welcome everyone. Today we are going to explore how can we import study area and datasets in Google Earth Engine code editor from our asset and from other sources. Like there are mainly two sources for the study area. First, uh, if it is already available in the Google Earth Engine catalog, or we have uploaded some save file for our study area. Like first we start with the asset section, what we have already uploaded. Like we have some save file we have uploaded and we want to use it in our code. So just go to the asset section and click on any save file that you want to display. uh, it will pop up the whole detail full details of the save file. Now just copy the id. If you have nothing in your code editor, go to the generate button. If you have some code in your uh, code editor and you want to use new study area for that code, then go to the modify section. Since I have no code in my code editor, I'll go with the new code generation. So in the quote, first quotation mark, I will put the within the quotation, I'll put the study area and just write display. Now it will write code to display the study area. If you run it, you can see your study area. Likewise, if you have other study area you want to display it, just copy the id, paste it. I want this two with existing the previous one. Display this two. And both the save file to display. As you can see, it is able to display the save file from the asset. This is one part. Another one is if you do not have any save file in your asset, still you want to display some study area. So the option is the official catalog, like GAEVL, FAO GAEVL. So this is a good source of the data sets. From there, just copy the asset ID or the collection ID, and then in the modify section, put it display the Nepal. Now it will able to write the code to display Nepal boundary. Like it is able to fetch the information for the for any country of your interest. Like if you need some other country, like do it for Brazil. So it will now display the country Brazil. Okay, so any country you want to display, just name it, and it will be able to display it, right? Like another one, like do it for Oman. Like, so it will be able to display the Oman country. Now any country you want to display, just name it. This is the one part. Another one is like you have already taken your study area. Now you want to display other data sets, like the population data sets, vegetation data sets, and any other data sets you want to display. One thing is the commonly used data set, like the sentinel one. If you display sentinel 2 for the study area, like, so display sentinel 2 study area, so it will be able to display the sentinel 2 because it is know the information about the particular data sets. If you want to use a specific data sets, then you have to give the id, right? So It is loading the RGB image. Like I want to display the population densities of the particular country. So I'll search for the population density dataset. Then I'll get the this is the population density dataset. So I'll get the ID. Then I'll paste it within single bracket with a single quotation mark. Then I'll just display it for the study area. So the earlier there is some band combination issue. So here it is able to display the population density datasets, like population density dataset. Now, if we want to display for the other country, like do it for Kenya, it will be able to display the whole analysis for the Kenya, whether it is for the population or any other analysis that is present there. So it will be able to display that. If you want to display any other data sets like the land is land cover, right? ESA, you will say I want to display that ESA world cover. So I want to display, I want this data should to display for my study area. I'll put it. So there is some band combination issue, so I'll fix it first. Then I'll go to the next data set, which is our world cover data set. Display it for the study area. Like display it for the study area. Now, along with the Sentinel-2 population density, we are now displaying the ESA all cover dataset. Like now, the dataset are loading one by one. Now, we want the ESA world cover legend to understand it better. So, add legend for the ESA world cover. Now, so again, the Sentinel-2 got some band error, so we need to fix that again. But before that, we are doing code for adding the band in palette, fixing it. If we got error in any point of time, we'll just hit on the fix and it will fix the code. It is able to correctly load the legends for the Sentinel-2. No, sorry, it is displaying legend for the ESA world cover dataset. Like you can see, now it is able to display the Sentinel-2 correctly. Here is the Sentinel-2, so the band combination issue has already fixed. Now it is displaying now the population. This is this one for the population and the another one for the ESA world cover dataset. Now we have done the analysis. Now we want these things to be exported in our drive. So export uh, population density and ESA world cover to drive. So it will write code to export these tip files to our Google Drive. Now I'll run that code. But if everything works perfectly, then it will be exported like uh, As you can see, it is giving option to export the ESA world cover and the population density tip file. Like just hit on the export and run button, it will be exported to your drive. So uh, in at a glance, what we have explored today. So we want to load the save file for our study area, uh, or our region of interest. So we can do that in two main process. First one is from your asset, and second one is from your the already available Google Earth Engine catalog. Like, so both the cases you have to uh, copy the id, then paste it in the modify section or the generate section. Anyway, it will works, and just hit on the display. Now if you want to other analysis, if you want to add other data sets, just repeat the process, the copy the data set id and paste it and comment what you want to do. So that way it will work.